Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Kum Bynta hagabay berkajing yaki kabajur kabadang ne hado kini kisni hakari Bangladesh. Halor kajing dawa ya kabah yo kam bat kiwei kajing dawa. Kabala penlong ya kari Bangladesh bakan mat. Ya kajing syak penjular kabajur baru gibre kilahapnya pet lemwir. Banwat jakari bat ki donru. Kiba persang banrung tu sakari India lingba ki kaput jong ki jela ki badon marjan bat kari Bangladesh. Hagabede bat kani ne kaliang menteri rangba ke jelau Conrad sangma habaya keren bat kilat pathai khubor mentaka sengi ga saw turik unailor arajar arpusau ula pentip ban kaliang jong ula de ban penlong de jingelang bat ki bor Shipai jong ke BSF bat ru ki Shipai Indian Army jong ke ri naga benta ban Pynkhlain nya ke Jingpahara hagi benta jong ki jaka ki bempat dep ban care Sainar Shiah hagi benta kaput jong ki India bat Bangladesh. Conrad ula Kyntu iki pajba bakinya trailang bat ke sorkar da kabaya smoto jingmut lang nagabenta ka syongsuk syongsan jong kitan bat kumta don kam ban pendem ya ke jingker Sainar Shiah ha ki kapu jong ki India bat Bangladesh.
I can't remember exact kilometers, but about 40 plus, 50 plus kilometers are there, which is there. We are very much aware about it. In fact, when the situation happened, we had details of series of meetings, including with the BSF and the army and the Meghalaya police at their level also, at my level also, at Deputy CM's level also. And special stress was laid on basically point 1250 to 1350. This is the pillars that are there. So 1250 to 1350 was a critical area where we know that especially from 1250 to I think 1280 or something, where the fencing is still pending. So we are very much aware about it, and we have been in discussion with the BSF, and BSF is on very high alert in those areas, and very good work has been done by BSF. But yes, we are moving towards trying to find out a solution to this, get the local people on board, and for the larger interest in security and safety of our people, try to convince everybody that we need to complete the fencing in the unfenced areas. So that's what. So there are all these kind of issues are there. So how to overcome these issues? Because Government of India has a national policy for this, and this has been done throughout that area. So that's the reason why this could not move forward. So I hope that now with the situation like that and the emergency kind of situation where we need to take a stand, I hope that we'll be able to come to some kind of a conclusion.